The most important thing about a video is actually the sound. You can have shaky pictures, fuzzy video, but if you haven't got clear sound, either heard or read, people will click away in an instant. So the rule is to get really close. The smartphone that's recording me now is just taking my picture, and the sound you're hearing is being recorded with this microphone and my smartphone here. If you listen to the sound recorded on the smartphone that's taking my picture, it's all echoey and hollow in this room because I'm some distance away from the camera. Here, the microphone on my shirt is only about 20 centimeters away from my neck, and it's really clear, nice sound. Now, if you haven't got a lot of money, you can manage without any of this and just hold another smartphone close to the person that's being recorded or the object that's being recorded, but obviously out of shot somewhere here where you can't see it. So now a lot of people use one of these. It's a Zoom recorder. It's got microphones on the top, and you can also plug in an external microphone back here. So what you can also get is a Zoom head like this that plugs into the bottom of your smartphone, and that turns your smartphone into a Zoom recorder. One of the biggest problems when recording on smartphones is all the other noise you pick up. Fine in a quiet studio like this. Out here, there's just enormous amounts of wind and you can't hardly hear me at all. So many people have one of these devices which fits directly on the smartphone and cuts out a lot of the wind noise. And even the Zoom recorder has its own little cover for the head here. So what are the golden rules? Firstly, get as close as you can, ideally by using a second smartphone and, if you can afford it, an external microphone. Also, notice this microphone is pointing down away from the sibilance from my mouth. And talking about wind, cover up with a windshield if you can to stop that extraneous sound.